Good morning, children. Students, now see what have I got today. I know this type of small notebook which has got these white pages you must have got in your book set. I am sure you must have got. So, today we are going to do something in this. So, students, I know it's not possible for you to do this alone. You can take your parents or your brothers or sisters' help in making this notebook. Okay, so this notebook will be called your sound notebook. What will it be called? It will be called your sound notebook. Okay, so what we are gonna do this, we are gonna open this and you will see there are plain white pages, right? Okay, so what we will do in them, wait, let me tell you. See, you must have got this type of book when you were in class nursery. So in this book only you will see at the back side of this book, in this phonics book, at the back side you will find some sounds are written. Can you see these? These sounds? Yes. So these are the sounds I always talk about. I say to you that okay, this time we have completed the first order of line. Then second time, then I say that we have completed the second line. Then I say the third line. Then I say fourth line and like this. So I talk about these sounds. Okay. So what we have to do in that notebook, we will write these sounds. We will write down these sounds in that notebook. Okay. So for my reference, I am going to put this notebook here. This book here. You can, for you, I will give another list. If you can write from it, very good. But if you can't, then also it is fine because you can see from me. Okay. So for writing these sounds in your sound notebook, you need a marker. If you don't have a marker, no problem. You can also use the sketch pens. Okay. So if you don't have these this type of bold marker, you can use a sketch pen. Okay. And yes, if you are unable to do it, no problem. Let your mom or dad do this for you. You just see the video and learn the sounds once again. So what we are going to do, we are going to open the first page. And we will see what is the first sound. The first sound is this one. What is this? This is S. So we are going to write this sound here. Okay? Like this. Done. Fine. But yes, remember students, what I want you to do is that on one page you are going to write only one sound. After writing one, you will go to the next page. Okay? The next sound there is a. So we will write a. So how to write a? We make a curve like this. We make a straight line and then a curve, a tail. This is a. Okay. After writing this sound also, we will flip the page. Okay. Now, what is the third sound there? That is t. So let's write t. So how easy is that to write? Because you just have to make straight line, bring it down, and then take it up, making a curve from here. Okay? And then a small sleeping line. This is T. T. Okay. The next one is A. So this is A. How do we write A? We make a straight line and we bend it a little from here, from the bottom. Okay, next page and next sound, that is straight line and a curve like this. This is P. P. Next line, next sound, that is So we will make one straight line and a curve like this. Then we will bring it down. This is Okay, so now we have finished the first line. Now we will go to the next line, and that is this one. For this new line, we will take out a new page and we'll write these sounds which are written here. Now, see these two letters, because they make the same sound, K and K, we will write on the same page so that you will remember that these two letters are making the same sound. Okay? So this is one curly K. Curly K means which is like curved, like this. And here you will write the kicking K, that is with a straight line, slanting line and a slanting line. This is K and this is also K. In between we will just put one slanting line. Okay, so this is K and this is also K. Next sound is A. A. So how to write A? It's like a sleeping line and a curve. This is A. A. Okay, next sound, that is H. H. So we will make a straight line, bring it down. Then a curve like this, okay? And then bring this one also down. This is H. H. The next one is straight line and a curve. This one is R. R. Then what is the next sound? That is So straight line, a curve, bring it down, again a curve and bring it down, and this is After this we will write D. So we write D like this. We started with a curve like this. We take this line up and again the same line we bring down and make a tail with this. So this is D. D, 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 D. Okay, now we have completed the second line also. Now here is the third line. Okay, so first sound in the third line is G. So we will start it with a curve like this. Then take it down and bend it from here. This is G. G, 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 G. Next one is O. O is a round sound. So we will make one curve first, then another and join it. This is O. O. Then next sound is So how do we write We make a straight line, then bend it from here, then we make one more straight line and make little tail from here. So this is Next one is So we will write like this. One straight line and little curve from the bottom. Next one is like this. Okay, this is okay. Then the last sound in the third line is B. Now student, we write B with a straight line. D we started with a curve, but B we will start with a straight line and a curve. Okay, done. This is B. Okay students, now in the fourth line there are some new sounds. There are some new sounds which you have not learnt so far, but we will be writing them as well here, because if we don't write them, then later we will find some problem. So today we will just write all of the sounds, and then I will introduce those new sounds to you later. Till then you can just keep reading the sounds that you already know. Okay, chalo. So the first sound is like okay, this one is like this. There is A and E, and this is together. Put one dot under this. Okay, next one is J, and we know how to write J. J is like make a straight line, bring it down and bend it from the bottom. Make a curve from here and one dot. This is J. Next one is O and A sound are there. There are two sounds in this, and this will be new sound which will be taught later. So you are going to join it with this line from the top, okay, and put a dot under this. Next one is, okay, there are two vowels in it. Okay, this is A and A. Okay, so this is also a new sound which will be taught later. So put a dot under this. Okay, this is what you are going to join these two letters with a curve. Okay, then next is double A. 1 and 2. So this is a double sound. I will teach you this later. Okay, then again O and are there. So just write it as I am writing right now. Okay, so join these two letters with this line. Put a dot under it. Okay, then the next line. Okay students, so now we will be writing the sounds from the fifth line. Now what we will do is, there are three sounds which you already know. But there are 3 more sounds which are new to you. So, we will just keep writing today, and whatever sound we know, we will say that. And the ones we don't know, we will not say them, but we will write them. So, we know the first one is Z. And how to make Z? We make a sleeping line, a slanting line, and a sleeping line. The bottom sleeping line can be longer than the top one. Okay? Yeah. And the next sound is W. And W is very easy to write. So it's like a slanting line, then one slanting line going up, one slanting line coming down, and the last one going up. So we have all slanting lines here, and this is W. W. Okay. Then the next sound is made with 2 different sounds. So what you will do, you will write it like this. And G. Like this. Okay. And here under this sound, you're going to put a dot. Then the next one is V. So that's also very easy. One slanting line going down, another slanting line going up. Done? Very good. And then there are 2 O's. 1 and 2. There are 2 O's. So we will make a line to join these both, and then we will put a dot under this. Okay? Yeah. Then one more time we are going to make this O, but this time we are going to make it little bigger than before. Okay, like this. O. And one more. O. Okay, like this. Then we will join it. We will draw a line to join both of these. And we will put one dot under this. Okay. So now we have finished the 5th line also. Now we will go to the 6th line and write the other sounds there. So students, on this 6th line also there are 2 sounds which we already know. Okay. So we'll say them and write them here. Okay, the first one is year. So for writing year, we'll make a straight line, and then we will make a curve from here. Again a straight line, make it touch the curve and bring it down and bend it from here. Then make another curve. This is going to be year. Year, year. The next one is X, X. And how will we write it? We will make one slanting line and one more slanting line like this. It should be on the other. One slanting line will be on the other, and this is X, X. Okay. And you don't know the rest of the sounds, so just keep writing them as I'm writing, and you can skip them. You need not to say them because you don't know them. So let's write this one. This is K and H. K and H. And put a dot under it. Okay? Again, S and H. So these two are also together, so we can join it from here. Okay, by just drawing a line and put a dot under this. Okay, the next one. Okay, so this one is again a new sound which you don't know. Just follow me as I'm writing it. This is T and H. Okay, and then put a dot under this. Done? Okay. And now we'll go to the next one. The next one is like... So the next one is also the same letters are going to come in this sound also, but this time we will write it a little bigger than the first one. Okay, so it is like this: t and h, and put a dot under them and join these both letters like this. Okay students, so now we are at the last line and we are going to write these sounds. These are new sounds which I will be teaching you later. Okay? So just follow me how I am writing them. First make a curve, then a straight line going down and a slanting line going up from the bottom. Okay? And so this one will be qua sound, okay? And put a dot under this. This dot means that both of these letters are making only one sound. Okay. Then next one is a and a. Okay? Now join these both letters with this line and put a full stop. Not a full stop, it's a dot. Okay, and the next one is A and E. You can join these both letters with this line and put a dot under this. The next one is A and A. Yes, and then put a dot under them and you can make it join the next letter. Yes, and this is the second last, E and and put a dot, and here is the last one. This is A and Now they will also join each other like this with this line and put a dot. Okay, so now we have done writing all the sounds in this notebook. So now this notebook will be we will be calling this notebook with one name, and that is sound book. You can say sound book or you can say sound notebook. So in this we have only written the sounds. There are no words that we have written in this notebook. So now what we will be doing is, this is compulsory for all the students to make this notebook. Okay, it is compulsory for all of you. So you cannot skip this video and and send the next day's work, but this is compulsory for you. So you are all going to make this notebook, and then we will be using this notebook during your Zoom class. We will be using this, okay? So I will teach you how to use the sound book during the Zoom class. So till then, make this, get it ready for your new Zoom class.